So hey everyone, today I visited my favorite international baking company which is famous for its customized cake. As you can see, they have many varieties of cake. Even they do have various flavored pastries, chocolate balls, donuts and many more. They have newly launched gelato ice cream which is in various flavors. My favorite flavor was Belgium dark chocolate. They also have customized chocolates which you can gift to your loved ones. And cherry on the cake, they have varieties of birthday accessories. We tried the cheese loaded nachos, which I clearly enjoyed a lot. We had Nutella shake, classic cold coffee, and Blue Island mojito. Chocolate crunchy pastry, lastly to end, we had cake pop with gelato.